Hello, my name is Dr. Angie Sadeghi, and it's all about the health.
And I'm Chef Terry Lincoln, and it's all about the sauce. Welcome to the Veganistas 2017. Dr. Sadeghi and I will be uploading several videos with awesome vegan recipes and health tips.
So please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss a video. Welcome to Veganistas 2017.
Hi, today we're going to show you how to make a simple potato salad for a nice summer dish for going on a picnic.
That sounds good.
Yeah, let's get started. So it's so simple. So I found these adorable organic potatoes at the local farmer's market, and their variety of colors, which I thought was so cute. I feel like the potato gets a bad rap. Like, people are always asking me, is there protein in it? What's nutritious about it?
I agree 100%. In fact, a lot of people who have diabetes avoid potatoes. And as we know, what causes diabetes? Is it carbohydrates or fats?
Fat.
That's right. So I really want our listeners to not avoid potatoes. Even if you have diabetes, do not avoid potatoes. Potatoes are excellent for you. Potatoes, and as you can see, there are different colors here. And the important thing about deep colors is that they have more antioxidants. So potatoes are they have a very high content of antioxidants, and the deeper the color, the more antioxidant power. Potatoes have 70% water, and they're full of fiber, especially the skin contains a lot of fiber. So for people who suffer from constipation, potatoes happen to be an excellent source of fiber. The fiber holds on to the water and drags this water through the GI tract and alleviates constipation. Potatoes are full of vitamin C, manganese, which is good for diabetes. They have vitamin B3, vitamin B6, copper, and overall an excellent source of micronutrients and macronutrients. They obviously have a good amount of good carbohydrates with low glycemic index. So if you're an athlete, you need to carb load. Potatoes are an excellent source of carb loading right before a competition or the night before an event or an athletic performance.
Great. I'm going to pop these into the boiling salted water. And they are going to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. While the potatoes are boiling, we're going to show you how to make a simple sauce. So basically, I'm using vegan mayonnaise, which is high fat, and I'm also using some vegan sour cream, which is lower in fat.
That's right. So if you have diabetes or you're concerned about calories, I would suggest that instead of using the vegan mayonnaise, you substitute for more of the sour cream.
And today I'm going to use both. I've also added 2 tablespoons of horseradish sauce, vegan of course, to give it just a little bit added level of flavor, which I just love. But that's optional. You can just use more of the sour cream or more of the mayonnaise. We're going to go ahead and mix that together. We're going to add a little bit of lemon juice. You can do a lot, you can do a little. I usually do a tablespoon. Today I'm just going to do a teaspoon because I'm not so sure if the people I'm serving really like a lot of lemon. But you can go ahead and do whatever you want. And lemon is really healing, right, Angie?
Absolutely. Lemon juice has tons of vitamin C and always very good for your immune system.
And that's basically it for the sauce. I'm just going to add some cracked pepper. And then once the potatoes are done, I might not use all the sauce, so I don't want to add my ingredients yet, but these are some blanched peas. I blanched them for like 30 seconds to a minute. I like to sneak my greens in whenever I can.
That's right.
And it just adds a nice little color. Then I'm taking a little bit of chopped red onion. I've soaked these in ice water. It mellows the flavor and takes out that like sharp aftertaste that most of us don't like about the onion. And then I'm going to add some celery for crunch, some dill for flavor. You can always add tarragon instead, some chopped parsley. And that'll be ready for our picnic.
I love that. The summer picnic.
The potatoes are ready. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of celery, 1 tablespoon of onion. It's about 2 or 3 tablespoons of peas. Dill, and the sauce.
It's all about the sauce, isn't it?
It sure is all about the sauce. And I'm not using all the sauce yet. I'm gonna try not to. That way we can also keep the calories down.
I like that. And there you have it.
A little bit of paprika. And here you have it. We're finished.
I must say that looks absolutely delicious, and it looks very refreshing for the hot summer days.
Yes, it's a great dish for a picnic, and I didn't even use all the sauce, so I was able to keep the calories down.
Absolutely, and I love that because I'm always watching the calories.
Yeah, and I'm always about the sauce.
It's all about the sauce.
Yes. Angie, should we try it before we take it to the picnic?
Absolutely. You know what? You're a good chef, but I'm a better eater.
Oh, okay. You go first then. Let's make sure it has enough salt and pepper and all the flavors are perfect.
It's absolutely perfect. So yummy. I could
Really
eat that
good.
all day. Wow.
One other thing, if you notice, I didn't add any salt. I don't think salt is bad for you as long as it's a Celtic sea salt or a Himalayan pink salt.
Absolutely.
But if you can get away with not adding it, there's...
Yes, and if you're on a salt-restricted diet, if you have liver disease or high blood pressure, you don't really have to add the salt. I mean, this is absolutely delicious without the salt. I didn't even notice it until you said it.
Because I think there's salt already in the mayonnaise. So I feel like that's why I always wait till the end for me to try it before I add additional salt.